Hello, welcome. In this video, we will see how to create linked list using Java Collections Framework. The Java contains two general-purpose list implementations. One is ArrayList, which is usually the better performing implementation, and the second is linked list, which offers better performance under certain circumstances. The list interface is an ordered collection, and it may contain duplicates. It supports the following operations. The methods such as get, set, add, addAll, and remove allows positional access. The search method searches for a specified object and returns its numerical position. It includes indexOf and lastIndexOf. The list iterator supports access elements in sequential nature. The sublist method supports arbitrary range operations on the list. This demo uses NetBeans' integrated graphical environment. The Java Collections Framework allows us to create an instance of a linked list in a single line. The fix imports command inserts linked list package. Now do some data manipulation by adding some values to the linked list. You notice we added different types of objects. We also insert a string object, orange, to a specific index and remove the element at index 0. Now let's print the list using system.out.print statement. It's easy to create and apply linked list in Java through Collections Framework. Thank you. Please subscribe for more.